Hi and welcome to another product demonstration from TIS. Today we're going to be looking at our TIS 1005, which is a socket tester with a few added features. So it'll perform an RCD test, it'll check the loop reading, and it'll also do a polarity test as well. So I'm just going to take you through a few features of it. So as you can see, when we plug the socket tester in, it'll do an audible socket test, and we've got 3 green lights, which is good. It's now done a loop check and it has given us a good reading. That is measuring between 0 and 1.9 of an ohm. We've also got the polarity test on there, and we've got the 3 flashing green lights, so the polarity is good. And we've also got an RCD test on there as well. Now that button actually says underneath it, if we hold it down for 3 seconds, what it'll do is inject a 30 milliamp fault onto the circuit and trip the RCD. Obviously, if the RCD doesn't trip, then there's further investigation needed. Just want to show you the loop test under another condition. Basically, we're going to add some resistance to the circuit, and we'll just show you what it does. So there you go, it's doing the audible socket test, and now it's come up with a check. And the reason it's come up with that is because it is picked up that it's measuring between 1.9 of an ohm and 92 ohms. There's also an urgent check on there as well. So if it's measuring above 92 ohms, it will go red, and obviously it's detected there's a fault, so there's further investigation needed. And that is our TIS 1005 audible socket tester with RCD, loop check facility and polarity setting. Thanks for watching.